Hello and welcome to Learning with Love with Mrs. Sand, and I am Mrs. Sand. This is your one-stop for all information on homeschooling and all its tricks that I am ready to reveal to you. So subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video or trick. Today we're going to talk about 30 fun-filled toddler activities for those rainy days. Doing indoor activities is important for a variety of reasons, including physical and mental health, socialization, education, and personal growth, and also entertainment. Physical and mental health. Indoor activities can play a significant role in maintaining and improving physical and mental health. Many indoor activities, such as exercise and sports, can help to improve physical fitness, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being. For children, teenagers, and adults alike, participation in indoor activities can also help boost self-esteem, confidence, and resilience, which are essential components of mental health. Socialization. Indoor activities can also provide an opportunity for socialization, which is critical for individuals of all ages. For children and teenagers, indoor activities can help foster friendship, cooperation, and teamwork. For adults, indoor activities can provide a chance to connect with others, build relationships, and new connections. Education and personal growth. Indoor activities can also serve as a form of education and personal growth. For children, indoor activities can help develop critical skills such as problem solving, communication, and creativity. For the teenagers and adults, indoor activities can provide opportunity for learning new skills, pursuing personal interests, entertainment. Indoor activities can also serve as a source of entertainment, providing a much needed break from the stress and pressures of daily life. For children and teenagers, indoor activities can foster a love of learning and a passion for exploring new interests. For adults, indoor activities can provide a way to relax and unwind, escape from the demands of work, and enjoy leisure time. In conclusion, indoor activities are an essential component of healthy living, providing numerous benefits for physical and mental health, socialization, education, personal growth, and entertainment. Whether it's in sports, arts and crafts, or simply reading a book, indoor activities can help individuals of all ages maintain a balanced and fulfilling life. And here are 30 indoor toddler activities. Number 1. Sensory bin. Fill a container with different textures, colors, and objects for your toddler to explore. Number 2. Play-Doh play. Encourage your toddler to use their imagination with a batch of homemade Play-Doh. Number 3. Art station. Set up an art station with paper, markers, crayons, and paint for your toddler to create a masterpiece. Number 4. Building blocks. Encourage your toddler to perform problem-solving skills with a set of building blocks. Number 5. Reading time. Set aside a designated reading time each day to help develop your toddler's language skills. Number 6. Cooking. Let your toddler help with simple cooking tasks such as mixing batter or pouring ingredients. Number 7. Music time. Introduce your toddler to different types of music and encourage them to dance along. Number 8. Balloon play. Blow up balloons and let your toddler play with them, tossing them in the air or playing a game of catch. Number 9. Treasure hunt. Hide a small toy or treats around the house and let your toddler search for them. Number 10. Play with cars and trucks. Set up a track for toy cars and let your toddler play with the trucks in the sandbox or a blanket. Number 11. Water play. Fill up a sink or a bowl with water and let your toddler play with cups and spoons and other toys. Number 12. Dress up. Let your toddler choose costumes and accessories while they play and act out different scenarios. Number 13. Imaginative play. Provide props such as dolls and stuffed animals and toys and a toy kitchen set to encourage imaginative play. Number 14, board games. Introduce your toddler to simple board games like snakes and ladders to help them develop counting and problem-solving skills. Number 15, painting with water. Give your child a brush and a bowl of water and let them paint on the windows or pavements outside. Number 16, planting. Plant seeds in pots with your toddler and let them help water and care for the plants. Number 17, scavenger hunt. Create a scavenger hunt for your toddler with clues leading to special treats or a toy. Number 18, bake cookies or muffins with your toddler and let them help measure the ingredients and mix the batter. Number 19, craft time. Do some simple craft with your toddler, such as making collages or paper plate animals. Number 20, balloon tennis. Use a balloon and a paper plate to play a game of indoor tennis. 21, shadow play. Use a flashlight and create shadows on the walls. Encourage your toddler to guess what each shadow could be. Number 22, puzzles. Introduce your child to simple puzzles like pegboards or shape sorters to help develop their fine motor skills. Number 23, indoor hopscotch. Use masking tape to encourage an indoor hopscotch course for your toddler. Number 24, yoga. Do simple yoga poses with your toddler to help develop their balance and coordination. Number 26, balloon volleyball. Use a balloon and a laundry basket to help play a game of indoor volleyball. Number 26, dance party. Turn on some music and have a dance with your toddler. Number 27, roll and bounce. Provide a softball or a balloon for your toddler to roll and bounce around the room. Number 28, magnetic letters. Teach your child the alphabet with a set of magnetic letters. Number 29, play with Play-Doh. Provide Play-Doh and tools like rollers and pins and cookie cutters for your toddler to play with. Number 30, flashlight play. Turn off the lights and use the flashlights to play a game of hide and seek or to create shadows on the wall. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that it was very informative. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell for more videos to help you become a better home educator. This is Learning with Love with Mrs. Sand and I am Mrs. Sand. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.